Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. You have installed Valorant and now you want to improve in Valorant. Although there are so many factors in improving in Valorant, in this video we'll share the best tip to improve in Valorant, so watch the full video and stay tuned. If you want to improve in Valorant as in whole, the number one thing you should be doing is learning all the 24 agents. You don't have to master any agent, or you can master only one agent and learn other 23 agents, such as their abilities and how they are used and how they work in a team environment. You will drastically improve and up your ranking in no time, because in game you play 5v5 where you get 5 composition out of 24 agents to work with and work against as a team and enemy respectively. So, understanding agents not only benefit you against your opponent but also to work with your team. Thank you for watching the video. To see more content like this, do subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon.